Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the G7 notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the G7 notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, hard disk drive, optical drive, keyboard, and top cover. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad LED board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad LED board ribbon cable from the touchpad button board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the touchpad LED board ribbon cable from its routing channel on the top cover. Carefully release the touchpad LED board from its retention clip and remove the touchpad LED board from its cradle on the top cover. Place the touchpad LED board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the touchpad LED board from the static dissipative bag. Carefully place the touchpad LED board into its cradle on the top cover. Route the touchpad LED board ribbon cable through its routing channel on the top cover. Insert the touchpad LED board ribbon cable into the touchpad LED board ZIF connector on the touchpad button board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable.